Hey guys, they are testing tornado sirens today, and thank God I'm not at swim practice. My mom let me stay home. Let's listen. There's a tornado siren about a half a mile from my house. Look what's on TV. Weather channel. Playing the Wii. I'm working on it right now. That was probably shouldn't have showed that. Cause that picture is me 7 or 8 years old. I look a lot different now. So, face reveal. Thought about doing it before. Yep. Working on my codes right now. Got them all burned onto that SD card. They run these sirens a lot longer than they do probably wherever you all live. They probably do. Okay. Well, let's see what they're talking about on here before I put in my SD card.
We could be seeing those complexes of storms push across places like Minneapolis.
See what the storms. Let's just put in the SD card. Let's get this started here. I'll show you guys real quick. This isn't really what my channel's even about, but what the heck. I gotta get my other remote because my good one has Motion Plus in it and won't let me do anything when Gecko is opened up. Okay. We're good. Alright, that's it.